Hi, my name is Sarah Wild and I will be talking about the process and journey that our group took for our art installation, The Rubbish Trees. When we received our gift during our first tutorial, our inspiration was one of the global goals for sustainable development. The goals were created in 2015 and agreed upon by 193 countries. The vision is to end extreme poverty, inequality and climate change by 2030. There are 17 goals, ours was number 8. Promote sustained, inclusive and sustainable economic growth, full and productive employment and decent work for all. I'll start with the claymation we made in tutorials. We knew that we wanted to focus on sustainability and economic growth. But at the time that we made this, we still weren't exactly sure how to approach our installation, so we decided to make a claymation that reflects where our thoughts were headed and which values we wanted to portray. We felt that the message of sustainable economic growth would be an important one, and it aligns really well with the curriculum. It is a current issue that needs to feature in our classroom, so we knew it would be our focus. After many discussions, and possibly hours, we considered using water and words to portray our message, but we weren't exactly sure how powerful that would be or how easy that would be to implement. So, we eventually came up with an idea that connected with our goal and our message really well. After researching some examples of our idea on the internet, we got stuck into our rubbish tree installation. First, we needed to choose our location. We found these trees at uni and decided to extend our original plan of adorning one tree to incorporate all 4 of these trees. We spent a week collecting materials to use. We wanted to find materials that very clearly represented how economic growth and consumption is affecting our environment. The trees represent our natural environment, and the rubbish represents the cost of economic growth on the environment, provided that things continue along the current path. The rubbish is designed to look like it's shrouding and suffocating the trees, showing how our current global economy is perpetuating environmental degradation. The rubbish trees are designed to make the observer ask themselves, economic growth and development is important, but at what cost to the environment? The first of the trees when you walk into the street is meant to represent the environment in its untouched state, so before the effects of globalisation and development. Then as you go past each tree, it becomes more and more covered in rubbish, which are the effects of the economy. The mirrors and pictures and signs are there to bring in some facts and encourage self-reflection, asking the observer to have a look at themselves and their role in this destruction. As a group, we thought this would be a fantastic installation that would be sustainable, cheap and easily implemented in a school setting. It could be implemented as a whole school awareness initiative at a set location where different grades could contribute over time. As a feature in a classroom or even in the local community, it would have a great power to generate lots of conversation. It could even eventually become a whole school and community project.